guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a tent in Heartopia. So it is 6 by 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and whoops, and 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Then we're going to grab this roof over here, and I'm just going to color it white. You can color your tent any color you want. This is where you're gonna want to start coloring everything. And then make it like super tall like this, like as tall as you can basically, and we're going to place one on each corner. Whoops, that is not on each corner. Then you're going to want to add some walls. We're going to add low walls, so don't add it too tall, and this is good like that. And then we're also going to add it on this side as well. So like that and that. And then we are going to add some low walls here. And then here as well on this side, just to separate just to like have a room, I guess. But for this side, we're going to do it just halfway because it's going to like go out of the like tent if we don't do it just half of it. So just do half here. And that, and then one more corner, and then one more over here. There we go. I'm just going to get the flooring here and we're going to place it on top like here, and I'm just going to cover this up, and I'm going to place 1 and 2 on each side like of the ceiling, I guess, like this. And then we're going to add the same roof here, color it the same again, and place it up here for the top like this. Then I'm just going to place some pillars. I think I'm going to do these ones, and I'm just going to color them. Should I color them like more silver? Yeah. I'm just going to place it on each end of the tent here. There you go. And then here as well. And then on that side as well. And I'm just going to add like a door, and I'm going to decorate a little, and I will be right back. Make sure you add like a door at the front so there will be like an entrance here. But yeah, I'll be right back with the finished results. Alright, I didn't really decorate the indoor area, but this is what it looks like. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!